Sleepy English Academy.
How are you today?
I'm doing well, thank you. How about you?
What's your name?
My name is Rohan.
Where are you from?
I'm from Mumbai, India.
What do you do for work?
I work as a software engineer.
What are your hobbies?
I enjoy reading, cooking, and painting.
Do you have any pets?
Yes, I have a pet dog.
What's your favorite food?
I love biryani and dosa.
Do you like coffee or tea?
I prefer tea.
What time do you usually wake up?
I usually wake up around 6 a.m.
How do you get to work?
I usually take the train or drive.
What do you do in your free time?
I like to watch movies or read books.
Do you exercise regularly?
Yes, I go for a run every morning.
What's your favorite holiday destination?
I love visiting Goa.
Do you like watching movies?
Yes, I enjoy Bollywood movies.
Are you a morning person or a night owl?
I'm more of a morning person.
How do you spend your weekends?
I usually spend time with family or friends.
Do you cook?
Yes, I enjoy cooking, especially Indian dishes.
What's your favorite book?
I really enjoyed The Alchemist by Paulo Coelho.
Do you like spicy food?
Yes, I love spicy food.
What's your favorite Indian festival?
I love celebrating Diwali.
Do you like to travel?
Yes, I love exploring new places.
What's the weather like today?
It's warm and sunny here today.
How often do you go shopping?
I go shopping once or twice a month.
Do you play any sports?
I enjoy playing cricket with friends.
What's your favorite dessert?
I love gulab jamun.
Are you learning any new skills?
Yes, I'm learning to play the guitar.
Do you work from home or go to an office?
I mostly work from home.
What's your favorite color?
My favorite color is blue.
Do you like to read?
Yes, I enjoy reading novels.
Do you speak any other languages?
Yes, I speak Hindi and Bengali.
Do you like cooking?
Yes, I enjoy trying out new recipes.
What's your favorite season?
I like the winter season.
Do you have a favorite restaurant?
Yes, there's a local place I love for Indian food.
Do you prefer beaches or mountains?
I prefer the mountains.
How often do you exercise?
I exercise 3 times a week.
Do you have siblings?
Yes, I have one younger sister.
What's your favorite time of the day?
I love early mornings.
Do you like to sing?
Yes, but only for fun.
What's your favorite type of music?
I enjoy Bollywood music.
Are you a good dancer?
Not really, but I enjoy it.
Do you follow any sports?
Yes, I follow cricket.
What's your dream job?
I'd love to be a travel writer.
Do you like gardening?
Yes, I have a small garden at home.
What's your favorite movie?
I love 3 Idiots.
Do you watch TV series?
Yes, I'm currently watching Friends.
Do you meditate?
Yes, I meditate every morning.
Do you prefer online or in-store shopping?
I prefer online shopping.
Do you drink water regularly throughout the day?
Yes, I keep a water bottle with me.
Do you like to go out with friends?
Yes, I love spending time with them.
Do you prefer sweet or savory snacks?
I like savory snacks, especially samosas.
What's your favorite snack?
I love popcorn.
Is it windy today?
Yes, very windy.
Subscribe for more videos. Your support helps me create more content. Thanks for watching.